welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to actually review the FabFitFun winter box. So there are a ton of YouTube videos out there that show the unboxing part, but I'm going to give you my true feedback on this thing. So this is my first box from my subscription. I signed up because I, like everybody else, saw the unveiling and I thought, oh, really cool items. I was super disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. So when you get it, it comes in a box. So this box comes in another box. You open it up, pretty box. You open this up and it comes with a magazine that tells you about all of the items that are in your box, but as you probably already know, in some cases it's a choice between 2 different things or 3 different things. So what you see inside is something like this, and you're probably gonna have a hard time seeing it, but it basically tells you, yes, every box gets one of these, and then boxes either come with this or that, or this or that. So it'll tell you all of the different options that the boxes get and the value of each of the item. So I'll start by going through what my box contained. Nice wrapping, you know, but nothing super exciting. The first item that they say you're gonna get, and I'm trying to give you a better view, but it's super bright here, so I'll just tell you. So it's a Mark & Graham color block throw in either gray ivory or natural ivory, both worth $49. So these are nice. They're super soft and I'm sure I'll really like it. $49, probably reasonably priced for that, but so that's the first item. So yeah, no complaints about that one. The next one, it was either a choice, so FabFitFun chose either a Bear Paw combo set of headband and Pop Top Glove Duo or Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask. So this is like a hair mask thing. I live in Canada, and I don't know if you know this, but the box is about $70-something, $79 Canadian. So I live in Canada. I have 1,000,001 hats, mitts, scarves. So for me to get something like this, not really super helpful. Cute, I suppose, but not my thing. So you get this headband, furry, nice, soft, and then you get these gloves that turn into mittens. So cute. Not sure it's worth $45, which is what it says it's worth. I will tell you the hair mask was worth $49. So far I got the cheaper of the 2. So that's that one. The next item was a choice between this portfolio jewelry thing, which is what I really wanted. The Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, I would have taken that too. Or this Lily Sadogi Silver Circle Necklace. Not sure about that. So the jewelry portfolio is supposed to be $48, the dry shampoo $44, and the necklace $49. I'm not sure about that. So I got the necklace. Cute necklace. But I'm gonna tell you something. When you go and you look through the rest of the magazine, there's a section that talks about how to take care of the items that you got. So if you go into the magazine, I don't even know what page number this is because they don't have pages on it, I don't think. Oh, 22. Okay, it talks about silver plated, which this is. It's not sterling silver, it's silver plated, and how to take care of silver plated materials. It says, plated materials naturally tarnish over time when exposed to body oils and other natural elements. To preserve your Lily whatever circle necklace or any silver plated or gold plated jewelry, avoid contact with harsh substance and putting on jewelry after perfumes or hairsprays. Come on, people. Am I not supposed to wear perfume now if I want to wear this necklace? Not liking it. Especially for $49. Not buying what you're selling, FabFitFun. Sorry. Cute, but guarantee it'll tarnish within 2.5 seconds. So we will be putting that one aside. Maybe my kids will wear it for 5 seconds. Okay, so next it was a choice between over-the-knee textured socks, which were really cute. I probably wouldn't have worn them, but I would have given them to the kids. A Sherry Matthews acupuncture jade stone roller, or this Pure Be Your Selfie palette. So it's like an eyeshadow palette. I didn't really particularly care which one I got out of that group, but I already have a jade roller and I got it from Amazon for under $20. Exact same jade roller for under $20. Let's guess what FabFitFun put a price on it as. They say it's worth $45, this jade roller, and then the eye palette $36 and the socks $24. So guess what this girl got? A jade roller, of course. So wah. I'll gift it. It's Christmas time, so somebody in the fam's gonna be getting a jade roller, but still not super worth it for me in the box. Next, we had a choice of a lipstick worth $26. These wood sort of coasters. They look like a piece of wood was chopped into circles and made coasters out of them. Or Brooke Burke sliders. The coasters, sliders, $18 each, and the lipstick $26. Well, girl, come on. Brooke Burke sliders. Really? So I'm not convinced these things are worth $18. You can't see. Well, you're obviously not going to be able to tell, but they're actually hard plastic. I actually already have a pair of these, and they're kind of domed, which is really weird. Oh, but our fancy logos on the front. In any event, I have a pair that are flat and they have kind of like this felt on the bottom, so it helps like slide, and they're amazing, and I got them for $10 at Winners. So Brooke Burke, your frisbee slash sliders are, I wouldn't even re-gift these, to be honest. They're kind of a little not good for anyone, I'm gonna say. Okay. The next one, I was super excited with getting one of these two items. So it was a choice between essential oils or a body cream sugar thing. Essential oils are apparently worth $31, and the Anthropologie X Mare C & Co. Sea Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar is what this girl got. So not so bad. I mean, can I use another cream, body cream? No, I have a million of them, but it smells really good. It does smell like coconut, reminds me kind of the beach. It's not bad. It's not amazing. I would not have gone out and spent, how much is it worth, $24? Heck no. And these are US prices too. What? I would not have spent $24 on this, but there it is. All right. Next, it was a choice is it a choice, or no, you get all three of these. So you get an eye brightener for $24, like a hydrating cream mask for $33, and these black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Ooh, can you say that again? Okay, so the brightener, yeah, average brightener, pencil. Like I said, it's average. Creamy sort of pencil, nice for under your brow or highlighting wherever you want to highlight. Cute. Then the hydration cream mask I haven't used. I haven't even opened it yet. But yeah, you know what? I'll definitely use this one. This one's good. And the black, these are the eye masky things that you put under. Haven't tried them because I didn't want to open them without you. But I'll for sure use these. So for sure use this, for sure use the face mask, and for sure use the blanket. So overall, I mean, they say that it values what, 200 and something, 300 and something. Fair enough. But I don't know, FabFitFun, if this box was worth it. you kind of got to take your chance this time, guys. Hopefully you won't get the box that I got and you'll get what you want. But this is just my opinion, and hope it helped you guys decide whether or not you're going to buy the winter box or not. All right, folks. Probably won't see me before the holidays, so Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year to everybody. Spread the love. Take care. Bye.